7 ways to get people that will send their PayPal funds to you for your arbitrage business. In this video, we talk about 7 different ways you can get a lot of people that will send their PayPal funds to you. This is part 2 of the PayPal arbitrage tutorial. If you've not watched part 1, here is the video. You need to first watch this video, part 1, so you understand what we are saying in part 2. So you check the link in the description of this video or the first link in the comment section. Click on it, watch the video before you watch this one. In this video, we will talk about 7 different ways you can get people that will sell their PayPal funds to you. I will also share smart ways you can use to get them coming over and again to you. So at the end of every month, you are sure that they are coming back with their PayPal funds, so you keep getting repeat customers over and again. And you know, business happens when you have a repeat customer. What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money and how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for stopping by again. Let's dive in. There are 7 platforms where you will get freelancers and online business owners that you can buy their PayPal funds from. Before we talk about these 7 things, I want to talk about some important things that will help you achieve massive success in this dollar arbitrage business. First is that you need to have abundant mindset. Yes, your mindset has a lot to do with how successful you turn out, whether you are into online business or offline business. 2, you need to have good communication skills. Your ability to get people to send their PayPal funds to you has a lot to do with your communication skill. If you know how to talk to people, how to convince people and get them to believe in you, that's one of the important skills you need to get customers. Now, this skill could be writing skill or speaking skill. It's your activities in the online space that will make people to know you, like you, and trust you to a point that they send their funds to you. So you need to learn to communicate in a positive way that shows people who you really are. It's when people believe in you and see that you are genuine that they will send the funds to you. A lot of things are happening online. A lot of scammers are doing a lot of things. People are going to send their funds to you when they have seen you over time, come to know you, like and trust you. And all of these are going to be possible if you know how to communicate. That's how having a good communication skill will help you excel in this business. 3rd, you need to build good reputation online. It is your online reputation that will speak for you. When people see that a lot of people send their funds to you and you deliver on your promise, they are going to also trust you to send their funds to you too. Even your existing customers will go on to refer their friends to you. This way you have consistent customers and you keep generating income without much stress. These people have not seen you before, so whether they are going to trust you enough to send their funds to you or not has a lot to do with the reputation you built online. So you need to take time to communicate who you are through content. Once you do this, people are going to confidently send funds to you because they trust you will deliver on your promise. With that said, here are the 7 places to get customers that will send their PayPal funds to you for your dollar arbitrage business. First is Facebook group. Now, there are targeted groups for freelancers and online business owners. In such groups, you are very sure to see freelancers who are making money on a daily basis, who do not have time to convert their money to cash. They just want somebody that will give them a good rate, convert it and simply send them the cash. They collect their money and focus more on delivering the services that generate the funds. You would have to join those targeted Facebook groups and not just join them passively, but you need to be very active in the group. Share content. Always jump to answer questions that you know answers to. This way you build your reputation in that community. So when you introduce the arbitrage business, they will confidently send the funds to you, and when you deliver on your promise, they continue to tell other freelancers who are their friends about you. This is how you expand your reach. The 2nd platform is Twitter. Twitter is another big platform where you get a lot of freelancers. Now, on Twitter, you are going to see freelance from different platforms. So if you play your card very well, build reputation as a trustworthy person, people are going to know you as someone they can trust. Build your Twitter profile to a point that people know, like, and trust you. When this happens, those freelancers would confidently send their funds to you. And not just them, they will also refer their friends to you because they all need these services. and you are a trusted person for the transaction. The next platform is Instagram. You can also get a lot of freelancers on Instagram because a lot of business transactions are going on. If you build a reputable presence there, you are going to get a lot of customers from the platform too. The fourth and one of the largest is YouTube. One of the guys I know that's doing amazing well on arbitrage business is a YouTuber. YouTube is a great platform to drive traffic to whatever business you do. So if you have a YouTube channel and you've been consistently giving value that's related to what you do, and you're able to build an engaged community, when you introduce your dollar arbitrage business, you will have a lot of customers because they have come to know you, like and trust you, and they know you will deliver on your promise. Being someone they have seen over and again, they believe you won't run away with their money. So this guy I'm talking about uses his channel to drive massive traffic to his arbitrage business. Because people have known, like and trust him, they confidently send their funds to him and he makes a lot of money from this. Fifth one is forums. You can also use forums like Quora, Medium, and even Nairaland for this business. Go on these forums and talk about what you do. If people get to know you and trust you as someone they can count on, you would always get a lot of customers through these platforms because most of them are also freelancers who make money online. And like I said, most times these freelancers do not know how to convert, or they don't have the time to go around converting it. They want to focus on what they do that generates the income. The sixth platform is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is another platform where you see people professionally talk about what they do. So freelancers are on LinkedIn constantly making money. You build a reputation on LinkedIn, you are going to get a lot of customers via the platform. And the seventh one is paid ad. This is all about you running an ad targeting freelancers and online business owners. If you're able to create a good ad, you get a lot of leads you can convert to customers. If you play your card very well, they will become a repeat customer. Now, what are the smart strategies to get them coming over? This is important because if you get someone to send you their fund like $1,000 every month, you are very sure of consistent income without stress. So the goal should be to retain your existing customers while you acquire more customers. How do you get a one-time customer to be a repeat customer who will send you the fund month after month? The secret is to offer a special package, offer a special rate for a repeat customer. Yes, let them know that if they are going to come the next month, you are going to give them a special rate. 2, offer special rate for bulk funds. So if someone is going to send you 1,000 PayPal funds, you should have a special rate for that person. This will motivate them to send you everything in their PayPal account. 3, send them a token after transaction. This could be a recharge card. After a successful transaction, reach out to them and send them a token just to say thank you for doing business with me. You will make them fall in love with you. Are you getting value from this? If you're getting value, please give this video a thumbs up and also remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I would also appreciate you share this video with your family and friends. The fourth one is to give them tips that will help them sell even more in their business. This could be you telling them about other platforms they can also render service on and make money, or just any information that will help them get better at what they do. It can come in the form of an ebook. You have a short ebook you give to your customers. It could be an audio recording or anything at all you know that will help them in one way or the other. Such a gift will make you very outstanding and keep them coming to you over and again. That is how to start and succeed at your paper arbitrage business. If you are into cryptocurrency, you can also use these ideas for your crypto arbitrage. It can work also in that area. I do hope you got value from this. Please share this video with your family and friends. Share it on your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other platforms. See you in my next video. Bye.